My apologies for not posting your enrichment question on Friday of last week, but it was Good Friday. So today we're back to school on a Tuesday. I'm going to post last Friday's enrichment question, and you get Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to try and get the answer. On Friday, I'll post the answer to this question as well as give you your new enrichment question. So if you get the answer to this question, just take a picture of it, send it to your math teacher, just to show that you did do the work or did do it. It's not worth marks, obviously, but it is just for fun if you want something a little bit more challenging than the reachbacks. So we call this one mean question. That's a pun because, of course, mean is average. But anyway, it says the seven number chain below is created using averages. Every number is created from the average of the previous two numbers. What are the missing numbers? So if you look at those seven numbers in the chain, you're only given two. You're given the number 2 and you're given the number 38. And using the fact that the previous two numbers are always the average of the number itself, what are the missing numbers? Now, if you want a hint, just keep watching. But if you don't want a hint, just turn off the YouTube video now and go ahead and try it. But if you need a hint, here's one. So the first thing you need to know is that average or mean is calculated by adding the number of terms together and dividing by the number of terms. Now that sounds complicated, but if we think about it, the sum of the terms, meaning add them together, divided by the number of terms will equal your average. So the average, if I had the numbers 12 and 20, would be 12 plus 20. 12 and 20 are the sum of your terms, and 2 is the number of terms because 12 and 20 are two different terms. That would equal 32 divided by 2, or 16, meaning 16 is the average or mean of 12 and 20. A formula, therefore, for the average of two numbers could be, if we wanted to, term 1 plus term 2 divided by 2 equals the average. Now, what if you don't know one of the numbers? Well, if you don't know one of the numbers, you can use algebra, meaning x, or the term that you don't know, plus the second term divided by 2 equals the average. And once you use this formula, you can isolate the variable using opposite operations, and you should be able to use algebra to solve the missing term. Good luck to everyone.